Now that we have the revenue, I also want to calculate the total cost. And we could do it the exact same way. I could enter equals, here I could click into this cell, here I could add it to this cell and add it to this cell. But that's a lot of work and there is an easier way to do that. Here I'll delete what we just entered. Instead, I can click into this cell, and in the bottom right-hand corner, once again, we see the fill handle. And here I can drag it down to the adjacent cell. And here we see that the total cost is 9. Here, if I click into the cell, I'll double click, and here we see all of the references have automatically adjusted. So how is that? Well, I copy the formula one row down, and it adjusts all of the references relatively. That's pretty neat. Now, an alternative way to do this, I'll delete these two cells, and then let's click into this first one. And let's highlight both of these cells here. Now I'll enter equals, and let's take this cell, add it to this cell, and add it to this cell. Now, instead of pressing enter, let's press Control Enter, and that'll apply the same formula to all these cells, and it'll adjust it relatively. Here, I will press enter, and there, that works just like the fill handle, but instead you do it up front. Next, we need to calculate the profit, and the profit is the revenue minus the cost. So let's use that same technique again. Here, I'll highlight all of these cells, and let's type in equals, cell B5 minus B6. And once again, instead of pressing enter, let's press Control Enter, and that applies that same formula across relatively. Here, I could confirm, I could click into this cell, and we see that it references these. I'll click into this cell, and it references those above. So a really quick way to enter a formula across many different cells.